Hello everyone, I wanted to do a quick unboxing of the North Pole kit from Queen & Company. I recently purchased this because around the holidays they were all sold out, and I thought I would pick it up for this year. And it comes with all of these fun things, and then also all of these here, which I think are just so cute and adorable. All right. So first, here are all of the fun toppings that you get. You get some of the snowflakes. The little peppermint candies are so adorable. You get some in green. You also get, oopsie, you also get the green candy sprinkles here in red. And then these are like little gem squares. So you get some of those in various colors. And then also in white, a green, turquoise, and yellow. So you get all of these fun toppings. And then some of the foam and acetate sheets here. So there are the acetate. And then the foam pieces that you get, you get 3 of each for the shakers. And then again, you get 3 of these ones for the shakers as well. You will also get, this is the North Pole Party paper pad. So let's open that up. And I'm never prepared, I apologize. We'll just do that real quick. I like how there's non-traditional and traditional colors in here for those that, to kind of help with everyone. I like both. I don't mind having non-traditional and traditional. Really pretty. Here's that one. So cute. Oh wait, it goes this way, I think. Oops, they're kind of falling out of the paper pad there. Isn't that beautiful? Love that they do that. And you get 4 of each sheet. Well, actually in this one you get 3 of each sheet. I apologize. I think some paper pads you get 4 and some you get 3. So there's that one. And then, oh yes, the really fun stamps. I love how they have, like, you know, the different fonts. So there's not just all one font. They change it up a little bit. And that's one thing that I love about their stamps as well. So this one says, "Have a sweet holiday season. No humbugging allowed. Joy to the world. All hearts come home for Christmas. Ho, 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 Merry Christmas. Friends make the season merry. 'Tis the season to be jolly. It's all fun and games until Santa checks the naughty list. Peace on earth. You are on the nice list. Christmas wishes to you from... Christmas wishes from our home to yours. Merriest of holidays. Friends don't give friends fruitcake. Here comes Santa Claus. It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. Santa Claus is coming to town." So just really fun. I love that they do that. And then last but certainly not least, the beautiful and fun dies that they have in this collection. The Santa hat the wreath, the North Pole sign, Christmas tree, bells, the gingerbread house, Rudolph, and then this a different type of bow, which is really, really fun. I think that's fun that they add different types of bows. The other one that I shared had a different bow in the kit, so super, super fun. Thank you so much for joining me today. Until next time, bye.